Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let me ask you a question you've probably never said out loud. Who are you when nobody's watching? Not who you are online, not who you are at work, not who you are when someone's asking you to be on your best behavior. I mean, who are you at 6 a.m. when the alarm goes off? Who are you when nobody sees you keeping or breaking your word? Who are you when the cameras, the likes, the rewards, the audience are gone? That is where real Stoicism begins. It's not in how well you quote Marcus Aurelius. It's not in how many books you've read. It's not in the phrases you post, but in the decisions you make when no one is there to praise you. Let's begin. Part 1. Stoicism is private before it's public. A lot of people treat Stoicism as a performance. They post quotes. They journal once in a while. They look calm in front of others. But real Stoicism, the kind that matters, is built in silence. Seneca wrote, "Live among people as if God were watching you. Speak with God as if people were listening." He didn't say this to be poetic. He said it because he knew character isn't forged in applause. It's built when you turn off the TV instead of numbing out, when you hold back anger even when no one would blame you, when you return the cart at the store, when you keep your promises made to yourself. It's easy to be disciplined. Part 2, the real test, when there's no reward. Let's be honest. It's easy to act well when we're being watched. It's easy to be kind when it benefits us. It's easy to be disciplined when someone's holding us accountable. But what about when no one claps? When no one knows, when you won't get credit? That's where you find the truth about your philosophy. Epictetus said, "Be careful not to become the kind of person who talks about what the good person should be like, but never becomes one." What makes Stoicism powerful is not what it sounds like, it's what it looks like. At 5 a.m., at the gym when no one sees you, in private when you get the chance to lie and don't. Part 3. Building real Stoic character. So how do we build this? How do we become the kind of people who live our values when nobody's watching? Let's look at 5 simple but powerful Stoic practices. 1. Make private promises and keep them. If you say to yourself, "I'll get up at 6, do it." If you commit to journaling, follow through. You teach your brain that your word matters, even when there's no social proof. 2. Rehearse private integrity. Before acting, ask, "If no one knew about this, would I still be proud of it?" If the answer is no, that's your clue. You're outsourcing your ethics. 3. Do silent service. Help someone without telling anyone. Give without credit. Let your ego sit this one out. This builds invisible strength. 4. Observe your micro-decisions. The small things matter. Did you clean up after yourself? Did you choose the harder but nobler path? Did you stop scrolling when you knew it was time? That's Stoicism, in the mundane. 5. Be the same person, always. The Stoic doesn't wear different masks. They're aligned. They don't act stoic, they are stoic. If you're kind only when it's easy, you're not kind. If you're calm only in public, you're not calm. If you're disciplined only when someone's watching, you're not disciplined. Be the same in private as you are in front of the world. Conclusion: the real work is done in the dark. You don't have to prove anything to anyone, but you do have to be honest with yourself. Because when no one is watching, you are. The Stoic doesn't need applause. They don't need a stage. They just need a mirror and the discipline to say, I will live well, even if nobody sees it. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this episode spoke to your deeper self, comment below. I choose private integrity. And as always, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.